Hello. I have a couple fun games I wanted to show you. What we're going to do is we're going to put these numbers in order. Okay, we're going to start up here with the first is going to be our smallest number and the last is going to be our largest number. So watch as I move these. I'm going to start with my smallest number over here is the number 1. I'm going to move it to the first spot. Ta-da! And 2. Great job. Now, what if I try 5? Nope, that's not right. Try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Not right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nice job. Now it's your turn.